If you're seeing the Epic Games error code IS-IN-DS01, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error can usually happen when the launcher doesn't have the right permissions, when the game files are corrupted, when the install location has a problem, or when security software is blocking the process. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. This is one of the simplest fixes and it often solves permission-related errors right away. So first, completely close the Epic Games Launcher if it's open. Make sure it's not running in the background either. Then go to the launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the launcher opens, try launching your game again and see if the error is gone. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to verify your game files seals. This is important because missing or damaged files can stop the game from launching correctly. Open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. The launcher will now scan the files and repair anything that's missing or corrupted. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. Now, if verifying the files doesn't fix the issue, the next thing to try is changing the installation directory. Sometimes, the problem is related to the folder where the game is installed, especially if the drive has file system issues, or permission conflicts. To do this, uninstall the game first, then reinstall it into a different folder or, even better, a different drive if you have one available. Just make sure the drive is formatted as NTFS because that is the file system Epic Games works best with on Windows. After reinstalling, launch the game again and check whether the error still appears. Another very important step is updating your graphics drivers. Outdated NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel drivers can create all kinds of issues with game launches and downloads, including strange launcher errors. To update them, go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your system. If you're not sure which graphics card you have, you can check in Device Manager or use the manufacturer's Auto Detect tool. Once the driver update is installed, restart your PC and then try opening Epic Games again. If the error still hasn't gone away, your security software may be interfering with the installation or launch process. Sometimes Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus or firewall can mistakenly block Epic Games files. As a test, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall while you install or launch the game. If the game works after that, then you know security software was the issue. Just remember to turn protection back on afterward. And if needed, add Epic Games Launcher as an allowed app or exception instead of leaving your system unprotected. At this point, one of these methods usually fixes the Epic Games error code IS-IN-DS01. To recap, start by running the launcher as administrator, then verify the game files, try reinstalling to a different NTFS drive or folder, update your graphics, drivers, and finally check whether security software is blocking the process. In most cases, that combination is enough to get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and PC tips. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below with the exact error you're seeing and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.